How do I plot points on a coordinate plane? I know that there's my point, and I know that if I want to find the ordered pair, the first number is on the x-line or the x-axis. There's my x-line. The second number is on my y-line or my y-axis, and there's how you spell axis. So that second number is on my y-line or my y-axis. That's where I get that number. So I'm going to look at my point, and I'm going to go down to my x-line, and I see there's a 2 there. So I'm going to put 2 as my x number in my ordered pair. And then I'm going to go on my y-axis, because the second number is my y, and when I look across from that point on the y-line, I have a 2. So my ordered pair for that point is 2, 2. Same thing with this point. I'm going to find on the x-line the number that goes down from that point on the x-axis. So I go down and I see that number right there is a 5. And then I'm going to go across on the y-line. That number's on the y-line, and there's my 6. So the ordered pair for that point is 5, 6. Now let's look at something different. What if I am given the ordered pair and I need to plot the point? I'm going to know that my first number is an x number and my second number is a y. So I look on my x-axis for 7. That's where I'm going to start. And I don't have to make this point, but I'm just showing it to you so you know where to start. And then my other point is at 0. Is at 0 on the y-line. So where 0 and 7 meet would be right at 7. So that is the point right there, 7, 0. Now let's look at 0, 8. A lot of you put that on the x-axis. It's on the y-axis because my 8 is on the y-axis. So I'm going to go to my x-line, my x-axis, and I'm going to find 0. There's my x-line, there's my 0 on my x-line, and then I'm going to go up on my y-line and find 8. So that point should be plotted right on the y-axis at 0, 8. Don't make the mistake that most of you did, which is put it right there. That is not 0, 8. That point right there has an x number of 8. So it's an 8, 0. So don't make that mistake, okay?